Most Amazon sellers don't realize their products can sell in Mexico with almost no extra work. So in order to sell your items in Mexico, what you're going to do is log into Amazon. You're going to do this drop down inventory, click on sell globally. Once you're on sell globally, you will see this page. And if you don't see this page, make sure you are a professional seller and you also have FBA inventory. Next, you're going to click Build International Listings. It's going to look just like this. You're going to go all the way to the right and click Get Started right here. Once you click Get Started, then what it's going to say is here is your main inventory source, which is Amazon USA, and you want to connect it to Amazon Mexico. So you're going to click on that. You're going to click on Continue. Once you click on Continue, it's going to have all this data. Whatever, just click Continue. Next is going to have all this data. Look, we're just trying to get this set up, so click Continue, and then click Continue. Now it's going to say, hey, you're about to expand to Mexico. You want to do it, you're going to click Agree. After you click Agree, you're going to wait 24 hours. 24 hours. It says it's going to take up to 4 hours, but I'll just wait a whole day. Once you wait a whole day, then you're going to go back to your manage inventory. You're going to do the drop down and you're going to click on Mexico. Once you click on Mexico and you go to inventory in Mexico, you should see all of your listings in Mexico, and all of the Mexicans in Mexico can now purchase your inventory. When somebody purchases your inventory, Amazon will ship it from the USA directly to them. Any extra custom charges are charged directly to the customer. You don't have to take the hit. So this is a great way to expand internationally without really doing much. As long as you have FBA inventory, it has to be FBA. So it should show up here. If it's not showing up here after 24 hours, I want you to go back to the United States. So go back here, go into your inventory in the United States, scroll down, click Edit on one of your items that has FBA inventory. Edit. Once you're there, then you're going to go and you're going to scroll all the way down and make sure that this is turned on. You can see, hey, I want to expand to Mexico. Make sure this is turned on. Put a price in, click Save and Finish. Then again, after around 1 hour to 24 hours, your listings will definitely show up now in Amazon Mexico. And that is how to do this in a nutshell. That's it for today's video. If you want more Amazon videos, tell me what to cover next in the comments. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on Amazon, contact EHP Consulting Group. Links right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. One of our most popular services is our full account management. We'll help you expand internationally to Mexico, Brazil, Canada, UK, Spain, Italy, UAE, you name it. And of course, we'll do your advertising design, increase your sales, translations, all that good stuff for you. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, signing out.